Good morning students, welcome to our Sheba group of school online class. Now today we are going to see about general knowledge. Let's see the definition of general knowledge. The basic knowledge that you have in various fields different from your field of expertise. Again I am repeating, the basic knowledge that you have in various fields different from your field of expertise. This is the definition of general knowledge. General knowledge is information that has been accumulated over time through various medium. It excludes specialized learning that can only be obtained with extensive training and information confined to a single medium. General knowledge is an essential component of crystallized intelligence. Why general knowledge is so useful? It is useful to interact with people very easily and also to discover the new things also. And what is IQ level? IQ is a measurement of your intelligence and is expressed in a number. A person IQ can be calculated by having the person take an intelligence test. The average IQ is 100. If you achieve a score higher than 100, you are smarter than an average person. And when a low score means you are somewhat less smart. The IQ level will be calculated like this only. The total number of population, the percentage is there, and the calculation of IQ level will be plotted in the graph. Now I explain about what is general knowledge and what is IQ. Now I am going to teach you 10 amazing facts about your body. Let's see it. The first one is hard working heart. The heart is the hardest working muscle in the body. Every day it creates enough energy to drive a semi-truck over 18 miles, that is 30 kilometers. Over a lifetime, that's equivalent to drive to the moon and back. Second one is amazing brain. The brain is 60% fat, but it still works hard. And at any given time, your brain can generate up to 25 watts of power. That's enough to power a light. Third one is water. In a lifetime, a person drinks 20,000, that is 75,000 liters gallons of water. Fourth one is eye. If the human eye were a digital, it would have 576 megapixels. An eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. Fifth one is Iron Man. There is enough iron in a body to make a metal nail measuring up to 3 inches, that is up to 7.6 centimeters long. Sixth one is growing skin. Skin is the human body largest organ and is constantly renewing itself. Your skin sheds 50,000 cells every minute. Over a lifetime, that peels up to 40 pounds, that is 18.1 kilograms of skin. Seventh one is fast sneezing. A typical human sneeze travel at just under 40 mph, that is 64 kph, that is the same speed as a tiger. And eighth one is growing hair. Your hair grows nearly 1/4 of an inch, 6 millimeter every 4 weeks. Hair keeps on growing for up to 6 years. The hair then falls out and another grows in its place. Ninth one is womb with a view. Babies in the womb grows 8,000 new brain cells every second. And then newborn babies can recognize their mother's face after just a few hours. And amazing memory, 10th one. Smell is the oldest of all the senses before sight, hearing or touch. Creatures evolved to respond to the chemicals around them. Your brain can remember over 50,000 different scents. Now let's see about interesting GK question with answer. We already know about the 10 amazing facts about our body. Now let's see about the GK question answer. Let's see the first one. Which is the most poisonous fish? Can you able to know this? Answer is stonefish. Stonefish is the most poisonous fish. Second one. Which bird does not make its own nest? Just find the answer. Answer is cuckoo. Third one. Who is the queen of fruits? Just think. Answer is this only. Mangosteen. Fourth one is which animal blood is blue in color? Answer is which animal is this? Octopus. Fifth one. Which animal's sweat color is pink? Answer is which animal is this? Hippopotamus. Now let's see about the basic questions, that is which we are want to know. What is the name of our country? Our country name is India, Bharat and Hindustan. And our second question is what is the capital of our country? Our capital of country is New Delhi. Who is the current president of India? Answer is Ramnath Kovind. Fourth one is who is the vice president of India? Answer is Venkaiah Naidu. Then next one is who is the current prime minister of India? Answer is Narendra Modi. And then who is the current minister of defense? Rajnath Singh is the answer for current minister of defense. Who is the current minister of home affairs? Answer is Amit Shah. The answer is Amit Shah for the current minister of home affairs. Then how many states and union territories of India at present? The answer is 28 states and 9 union territories. The answer is 28 states and 9 union territories. What is the official language of India? Answer is Hindi and English. The official language is Hindi and English. The national animal of India is what? Answer is tiger. The national animal is tiger. And now the national bird of India is peacock. Animal is tiger and bird is peacock. The national fruit of India is mango. And also the national tree of India is what? Indian banyan. Banyan tree is the national tree of our India. And the national flower of India is lotus. These all are the basic question. And what is the national anthem of India? We all know that Jana Gana Mana. You all know students, Jana Gana Mana was originally written in which language? That is Bengali. In Bengali language only, Jana Gana Mana was originally written. Don't get confused between the national song and anthem. Anthem is Jana Gana Mana and national song of India is Vande Mataram. And national song of India was written by Banki Chandra Chatterjee. And the largest state by population in India is Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh only the population is large. National aquatic animal of India is, aquatic means water based animal, that is Ganga's river dolphin. Ganga's river dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. Now I told you about the what is general knowledge and definition of general knowledge, uses of general knowledge, IQ level, and also I told you about the 10 amazing facts about our body and basic questions which we want to know the GK and also 20 question answers of general knowledge. I hope you all understand today video classes. See you in the next class. Thank you.